Hi, my name's Joe and I'm at Break Time Billiards in Wilmington, North Carolina. Today I'm going to show you how to rack the ball for two popular games. One is 8-ball and one is 9-ball. In 8-ball you use all 15 balls. You put the one ball in front and then you alternate the stripes and the solids as they go down the sides and across the back. You put the 8-ball in the center. After you've done that, you remove the rack, and you now have a rack to play the game of 8-ball. Now, if we were playing 9-ball, you do not need all 15 balls. We only need the 9. So you take your 9 balls, and the only requirement in 9-ball is that the 1 ball be in front and that the 9 ball be in the center. Now, in some tournaments, they require the 2 ball to be racked in the back. But as long as you've got the 1 in front and the 9 in the middle in a diamond shape, then you will have racked them properly. Now you place your fist in each of the slots that are on the side of the rack. Use your forefingers to press against the 2 back balls, and then your thumb to press against the very back ball, and that's how you can get the rack to be tight. And that's how you rack for 9-ball.